With the rapid development of modern agricultural technology, the PhenoWatch high-throughput plant phenotyping system opens a new chapter in plant phenotyping with its excellent performance and innovative technology. The system not only integrates LiDAR and multispectral imaging technologies, but also achieves precise control and efficient analysis of the plant growth environment through its unique 3-axis mobile platform. PhenoWatch's 3-axis mobile platform is one of its technical highlights. The platform can be flexibly designed according to the real situation of the field environment to achieve automated control and precise positioning. X-axis represents the movement of the carriage on the guide rail, Y-axis represents the movement of the sensor box on the beam, and Z-axis represents the adjustment of the sensor box in the vertical direction. This design allows PhenoWatch to move in spatial coordinates and cover a wide area. Whether it is a large span design or a single unit with multiple spans, it is easy to use. The core of the PhenoWatch system is its integrated multiple imaging units. Each unit has its own unique features and applications. LiDAR provides accurate 3D point cloud data for analysis of plant structure and subplanting. Multispectral imaging module covers a wide range of wavelengths from blue to near-infrared, calculates vegetation indices such as NDVI, and assesses plant health. Infrared thermal imaging module generates high-resolution thermal images for analyzing plant surface temperatures and reflecting plant physiological status. Hyperspectral imaging module combines visible near-infrared spectroscopy with high-resolution imaging to provide quantitative data on the chemical composition of samples. Chlorophyll fluorescence imaging unit measures the chlorophyll fluorescence parameter of plants to characterize their photosynthetic activity. Visible light imaging unit adopts high-resolution camera to restore the real color of plants and analyze plant spots and other pest and disease information. The integration of these imaging units enables PhenoWatch to provide comprehensive insight into plant growth from multiple dimensions, providing powerful data support for agricultural research and precision agriculture. The PhenoWatch software platform integrates the advanced FastRCNN deep learning model, which is capable of automating the segmentation and stem and leaf analysis of individual plants. This intelligent analysis function not only improves the accuracy of data processing, but also greatly increases efficiency. This gives PhenoWatch an edge in data processing. PhenoWatch also excels in data security and openness. To ensure data security, all collected data is stored locally. It also supports the analysis of third-party software, allowing data to be shared. PhenoWatch's high level of integration and scalability allows it to flexibly integrate a wide range of imaging units, simplifying operations and maintenance. With its superior technical advantages, this system is becoming an indispensable tool for plant phenotyping research and precision farming practices. For more information, visit our website or contact us by email.